Hi friends, I am back with my another video. You may click the bell button below to subscribe my channel. Please do not forget to like my video and share feedback. Today I am reviewing Omron NE-C106 Compressor Nebulizer. You all may know that nebulization is used to relieve you from your chest congestion to have easy breathing. This device helps you to deliver the medicine directly to your lungs in the form of mist. Firstly, the device pushes air through the opening here, and this tube connects the opening to mask through a medicine cup. This medicine goes into the cup and can hold maximum of 10 ml. I have put 3% sterile saline here. Now I am turning this on. And look, the mist is coming out. You can wear this mask and through the mask and gently breathe in till the medicine is empty. Got this device in 2020 and is still working very fine. It is a good product, and Omron company is a Japanese company. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.